Alright guys, 10:15 guys. At least guys, I'm very happy because my car already back again. And then only now I can use because my daughter is sleeping guys. After this one, I go into the beach side because yesterday I'm very busy to see. Look guys, the water now guys, the going low tide, but the water now in the very high. But by the way, I trying. Supposed to be I try to San Antonio today guys, but I pass by in the my place, the Pantalan, and I'm looking first. After that, I go to the my spot. That's why I tell you guys, if you have time with Mr. Joe, thank you. And if you have time, try in my spot. Honest to you, Joe is a lot of the Mama Maputi this place. Yeah. See guys, nobody now in the beach side because the water is very shallow. Oh my god, hindi tayo guys I think I cannot go inside because the road is like no good guys. I only pass by, I try. Right, see, look, see, if you go there, guarantee your car cannot move. You stuck up if you go there. See, look guys, I don't know if I have Maputi this place, but I see one fisherman and I calling Nato, but he don't answer me. And I think we have the EE. Yeah, we have si Tuni. See, trying to catching the EE too. Wait, ikatol ko lang dito guys. See, look, nothing already, the grass in the water was almost 1 month already. Yeah, and then si Tony stay there. And after that, I go to my spot, okay? Let's go lang guys. Okay guys, continuous lang tayo guys. Now this is my spot guys. Because I'm very busy in last 2 days ago guys. That's why these people maybe trying to fishing, but I don't know if it's catching or no. But Papa Jerry, time to fishing guys. See the basketball guys, after 40 years already broken already. Wow, see, look, guarantee guys, is a lot of fish today guys. But I want to park my car there. See, look, I'm moving little bit guys. See, oh god, making maoy the fish guys. I don't know, making maoy. Okay, I try. Right, let's go lang. After the pass by in the somebody guy busy already guys. Please look, he catching already, maybe 100% he catch already guys. Maputi o yeah, the fisherman, see, look, it's a girl. Alright, continuous ko lang guys ha. Alright, thank you Lord. Let's go guys, time to go from the Pantalan and go this my spot. If you had time guys, please come. Joe, come here my spot Joe. Honest to goodness you go Joe. Oy. It's a lot of fish. This is my spot. Okay. Katok muna tayo di guys. This is guys. Come on, mama. The another one guys, I'm losing. This is another one. Now, it's low tide guys. Honest to goodness guys, low tide. Very low tide guys. But we're restarting guys. At least already good size for me already guys. Alright, continue natin guys. So, continues natin guys. Tie a little bit. Come on, mama. Is everybody watching you, mama? Down your bucket and slowly. Si mama, she's following you. Slowly. Slowly, mama. Slowly, mama. Kaya guys, nakikita na sinasabi ko siya guys. From the, what do you call this one? The pass by in the Pantalanan and go my spot guys. This is right Joe. This is Joe. I have already for my food today. Alright guys. I'll be reluctant guys, but somebody bite my bread guys. Continue something guys. Ito na. Kinanapad natin papagiriw po. Come on, mama. Yan ang isuli natin guys. Oh. Alas 11 lang guys. After this, 1:30 or 1:40. Alis tayo guys. Ayan pa lang uli natin guys. Just low tide. At least still catching guys. Right, Joe, Mr. Joe. Come with me. Fishing time. Alright guys. This is it. Fishing in Pantalan today guys. Yeah. And it's a lot EE. But the problem is I go early guys. Right? That's my problem guys. At least I tried the Pantalan and 6 pieces of losing guys, because my line is all cut, especially this big size, and this one guys very heavy and moving the si mama and the one you cut your line. Yeah, I've been your line like 4 pounds. Broken that one guy. At least I have a lucky day again guys. The EE honest to goodness guys is a lot non-stop catching, but I don't have time for that catching that one. Yeah, honest to goodness guys. But this is it again. I not a liar to you guys. That's why sometimes I tell you, if you have time, please come to my spot and try catching si Maputi, si Mama. I call him Mama, and this is my EE guys. Yeah, and by the way, if you have the time, go to that place to try fishing guys. At least you know my activities, especially my job and flooring my outside my house, my garage. Yeah, and if I have time, like 2 hours, trying to go to the beach side and catching this all kind of fish guys. Yeah, I don't know, cause that guy, I tell him come and try my spot, but he told me it's okay, but and catching after like I don't know, still there. That guy, he catching only 1 pieces guys, but sorry for him, and for me this is my catching. Right, at least still catching guys, not bad, right? Marami naman isda yung ano ko guys, my refrigerator, guys. My darling again, guys. Okay, I love you guys. See you soon. And I don't know what my project tomorrow, but I want to finish my job first, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you guys. I love you guys, and I love you, mama in the big side. See you soon, guys. Alright, guys, this is it. Only this one day today, guys. I share my face today, but at least I catching again. Yeah, but yesterday is very lucky. I like 30 minutes because I going somewhere to get my wife. But it's okay. This is again my catch today, guys. Like 8 maputi I share and may ito. Alright, continuous na. I don't know tomorrow, guys, but I'm very busy tomorrow again. At least I try again, and this is it. And this is my kid one, guys. Somebody buy 6 pound again. Alright. Yes, sir. Okay, Papa Bear. Thank you, guys. Love you, guys. At least meron man tayong huli. Hindi tayo na zero sa araw to. Ilang umalis kami to, mga 11 na rin. Okay?